Tomorrow, Megan Boswell should get a trial date for her charges in the death of her 15-month-old daughter, Evelyn. She's in court tomorrow for what's called a status hearing.
It's been a while since we've had an update on the Boswell case. Ansley Daniel catches us up.
18 months ago, toddler Evelyn Boswell's body was found on her grandfather's property on Muddy Creek Road in Blountville. Up until that night on March 6th, Evelyn hadn't been seen since mid-December, and now her mother is behind bars, charged with her murder.
We've had a child that's not been seen by the parents or certain family members in almost 2 months and was just reported this week.
The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation issued an Amber Alert for Evelyn Boswell on February 19th of 2020. The day before, the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office received a Department of Children's Services referral in reference to a child that had not been seen by certain family members, quote, in approximately 2 months.
I just want her back. That's all I want.
Megan told us her mother, Angela Boswell, had Evelyn.
I've told TBI where to find her in Mendota. My mom took her to a campground and a silver camper, and if they don't go tonight, I'm going to go find her myself. Because I've told them and they're not really taking it seriously, and if they don't go tonight, I will go myself and go get her.
The night after that interview on February 25th, Megan was arrested on 1 count of false reports.
Every time we talk to her, her story changes. I'm serious when I say that, every single time.
Authorities went to Virginia and North Carolina searching for Evelyn, even draining a pond in Wilkes County in relation to the search. That search came up empty. Then on March 6th, 2.5 weeks after the Amber Alert was issued, investigators received a tip leading them to remains found inside of a shed on Boswell family property on Muddy Creek Road in Blountville.
During the search, investigators discovered human remains believed to be those of a 15-month-old girl.
An autopsy later confirmed that the remains were those of Evelyn's.
Did she seem distraught? Was she crying?
Obviously upset. I mean, I don't know how else to describe it. This is a tragic situation any way you look at it, so, her reaction was somewhat to be expected.
Megan remained in jail. She was first arraigned, then indicted, and charged with a total of 19 counts, including felony murder.
We have filed a notice to seek a sentence of imprisonment for life without the possibility of parole.
Megan Boswell's attorney, Brad Sproles, is still working to have the trial's location moved or have a jury brought in, but he doesn't expect that to happen until sometime in 2022, and he could file additional motions during Thursday's status hearing.
Ansley, thanks. Now, Megan is the only one charged in connection to Evelyn's murder and disappearance. She faces, again, 19 total charges, but Megan's mother, Angela, will be in court tomorrow as well on theft charges.
News Channel 11 will have complete coverage of Megan Boswell's hearing on air and online starting tomorrow morning, and complete coverage throughout the day can be found on our pre-existing section on WJHL.com called Justice for Evelyn. That's the tab in our news section. And you can also go to the Justice for Evelyn tab on our website to view complete coverage of the Evelyn Boswell case.